Warning! In this scenario, I use my entire internal memory. Make sure that you have a backup of your data. I am not liable for any damage caused by this. Hello and welcome to my first video on this channel. Today I want to show you how to install Bliss OS or Androidx86 on your computer. In my case, I want to use Bliss OS, but there is not much difference in the installation process. At first, you need to go to BlissOS.org. Then you need to click download. I would recommend BlissOS 11.13 because it is much more stable than BlissOS 14 or 15 and it has Google software pre-installed. But if you want a Google-free experience, you should choose the FOSS Stable Edition. Now you need to click on the download button. After you downloaded the ISO file, you need to flash it to a USB drive. For this, you need software like BlissOS. Then you click on Flash from File and choose your ISO file. At next you click on Select Target. Now you can choose your USB drive. Finally, you need to click Flash. After it flashed, you have to put it into your computer. Now turn your computer on and start the BIOS. Make sure your computer will start to the USB drive. After you change your BIOS settings, you can start to the USB drive. Now you can go down to Advanced Options. Select the Auto Installation option. Now you need to choose your internal drive. Finally, you have to accept the installation. After installation is done, you should select Reboot. If you want, you can now sign in into your Google account, but first log into your Wi-Fi network. It is possible that you need to change your keyboard layout. For this you can to Settings and then to Language and Input, Physical Keyboard and at Translated Set to Keyboard. Click on Set up Keyboard Layouts, and choose your layout. If you want to set up your language, you can go to Settings, Language and Input and Languages. Now you can select your language. If you would like to see more DIY content in the future, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe and hit the bell.